Hello everyone, this is Kingsine. In this video, we will introduce the AC test function of the KRT software. Let's open the KRT, and first, we need to confirm the connection status. Click to enter the AC test module. We can set voltage and current parameters in the middle of test view section. The functions on the right allow for quick modifications of the set values, such as setting them to nominal, equal amplitude, 0, or maximum value. Phase and amplitude can also be adjusted. Click the arrow next to Direct to change the test type. Select the More Settings option on the right to apply the configuration to test group 2. In the right panel, you can check the output mode as DC or AC and DC output. On the left, the trigger logic allows choosing between or and logic. The checkbox symbol can control the trigger mode of binary inputs. And the output mode can be selected as continuous waveform or absolute phase setting. After checking the automatic step function, we can set the pre-fault and fault interval functions. Once the pre-fault function is selected, its trigger mode can be controlled, such as time trigger, time and binary input signal, or custom key trigger. The trigger logic and binary input trigger mode can also be configured. When the fault interval function is enabled, an adjustable time interval can be added after a trip action. The output section on the right can be used to view real-time output values and vector diagrams. In this video, we will demonstrate the test using a Schneider P444 protection relay. We open the PC software for the protection relay to check the settings. Returning to the KRT software, select IA as the variable phase and set a current that reaches or exceeds the set value to trigger the protection operation. The set value of the protection relay is 3 amps, and we set 4 amps here. Once set, we click the Start 1 button to start the test. After the test is completed, the Result View section on the right displays the operating value and pickup time. Other views include the time signal chart, impedance view, and wiring diagram. Now, let's take a look at the automatic step function. We can select the group state. Group 1 and Group 2 correspond to phases A, B, C, and X, Y, Z respectively. When switching groups, the variable phase selection will also change accordingly. The variable can be set to amplitude, angle, or frequency. The step size represents the amount of change in variable each time, and the test will stop once the end value is reached. The variation mode can be set to stop after the action or return after the action. The time function specifies the duration of each change, which should be set longer than the protection setting time, otherwise, the action time recorded by the software will be inaccurate. The plus and minus symbols below can be used to set the variation mode as gradually increasing or decreasing. After configuring the automatic step function, we begin the test. Once the test is complete, the test results can be viewed on the right, and real-time output variations can be observed in the vector view.